is a good day for people looking for joint replacement. I'm the first in Karnataka to start CORI Image-less Robotic System for knee replacement surgeries. Hi, I'm Dr. Natraj H M. I'm a lead consultant at SPARSH Hospital, Sarjapur Road. I run joint replacement clinic on every Tuesday where advanced robotic surgeries are offered to you. Along with that, we do advanced techniques like muscle sparing subvascular approach so that you can walk on the same day of surgery. Apart from that, we also offer kinematic alignment to make the knee feel normal and many more other technologies. And for a cherry on the top, the most important thing is we offer all these free of cost. In the sense, we offer all this at the cost of manual surgery without charging anything extra for these advanced technologies or for the robotics. We also specialize in other type of procedures apart from knee replacement surgery. We perform surgeries to prevent knee replacement like high tibial osteotomy or HTO procedures. We perform partial knee replacement procedures, revision knee replacement procedures, sports surgeries and regenerative medicine to heal the joint and to prevent knee replacement. If you have knee pain or if you are needing a knee replacement surgery, do visit us at SPARSH Hospital, Sarjapur Road on Tuesday at Joint Replacement Clinic. Thank you.